Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, it's February 29th, and it's been snowing all night. They're calling this on the news the Leap Day snowstorm of 2012. And while the wrecker's been sitting and resting all winter, now it's time to go to work. And as you may have guessed, we got ourselves a new Hero 2 camera to put some mounts on the truck. So this is a perfect opportunity to give me a chance to try them out. Wow, we got about 8 to 10 inches of wet, heavy snow here to move. Here's a view from the mount that I put for the GoPro camera up on the wrecker boom. The camera is picking up all kinds of rattles from the truck. We're going to have to do something about that. And as you can see, I didn't get one of the pivot arms very tight and the camera started to tilt. We'll have to remember to keep them real tight when it's on the wrecker. There we go. We straightened it out and tightened up the pivot arms. Now we'll see if it holds. It's hard for you to tell from this angle, but that windrow that we're plowing up alongside the wrecker is about 30 to 40 inches tall. Here's some footage from the GoPro camera on a tripod that I set up out in the yard. If you're thinking that the plow on the front of the wrecker looks a little small or short, don't let things fool you. It's full height. It's just because I had to add 9 inches to each side to make it wide enough for the wrecker. That, and because the wrecker is so tall, makes the plow look kind of funny. The wrecker makes a pretty good plow truck once you get used to not being able to see the blade when it's down. Here, seat cover is sweeping the camera back and forth on the tripod. See if she can follow the tow truck. And of course, baby seat cover is very interested in what's going on and has to go check everything out. In fact, that's why we had to stop here, because she was checking out the snowbank. And of course, this snow was so wet and heavy that even with the weight of the tow truck, if you stopped, you were done. Well, now that my own driveway was cleared out, it was time to go check out the neighbors. Here's one for you. We really had a tough time getting into this one. Well, it was a long day, and I'm wore out. But we got all the neighbors cleaned out, and I think this GoPro Hero 2 camera is going to work out really good. Once we get all the bugs worked out, get some more mounts on the truck, we ought to have some pretty good videos. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.